I'm Anil Kumar and Manpreet, as you asked for. Here are a few questions from your book. These are the word problems, application word problems, where quadratic equations will be involved to solve. The question here is, the length of the rectangular field is 2 meters greater than 3 times its width. The area of the field is 1496 meters square. What are the dimensions of the field? So first thing is define variables. Now let's read the question. It says the length of rectangular field is 2 meters greater than 3 times its width. So let's define width. So we say let width be W. In that case, length of the rectangular field is 2 meters greater than, so we say length is 2 meters greater than 3 times width. So must first multiply by 3 and then add 2. So that is length. Length is 2 meters greater than 3 times width. You get the idea. Now the question says the area of the field is 1496 meters square. Now area is length times width. We are given area as 1496. We can write 1496 here. Length is 3W plus 2 and width is W. So that is how we get our equation. So we can now open this using distributive property. We get 1496 equals to 3W square plus 2W. Bring all the terms together. So gives 0 equals to 3W square plus 2W minus 1496, right? And now you can use quadratic formula or you can factor this equation to solve, right? Since the numbers are very big, I will recommend you to use the quadratic formula itself. So from quadratic formula, we get width equals to minus b, which is minus 2, plus minus square root of b square, which is 2 square, minus 4ac. So 4 times a is 3 times minus 1496 square root divided by 2 times a, which is 3. And now we can use the calculator and find the term which is within the square root. So that term is 2 square. So let's write, okay, so let's do square root. 2 square minus minus becomes plus. We'll write plus 4 times 3 times 1496 equals to. So it gives us 134 divided by 2 times 3 is 6, right? So we should take positive value since width cannot be negative. So we have 134, take away 2 minus 2, divide by 6 will give us 22. Okay. So width for us is 22, right? So we get width of 22. If width is 22, that is width is 22, we know length is equal to 3 times 22, 3 times width, plus 2, right, which is 66 plus 2 or 68. Units are meters, right? So units are meters for both, and therefore we can write down our answer that the dimensions are 68 meters by 22 meters. So that is how we can solve this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.